Rural areas in Europe today cover more than half of its land. More than 20% of the overall continent's population lives there. However, these areas often lack access to a range of services that are otherwise available to urban citizens. Born from the need to bridge this gap and foster mutual growth, RURBANIVE improves life in rural communities through social and technological innovation. Within 4 years, we are bringing together 17 partners with the vision to create a digital platform that encourages participation, putting rural citizens at the center of policy. At the heart of RURBANIVE lie 6 rural-urban enablers that demonstrate how innovation can translate into better lives and stronger communities through 7 rural-urban co-creation labs. Shortening food chains through a digital platform and a hands-on training center. Damaged landscapes are rewilded using innovative science and collaborative approaches. Agricultural and food waste is transformed into valuable resources. Digital empowerment anchors innovation in small towns. Emotion-aware technologies give a new voice to rural landscapes and heritage. Smart mobility solutions improve rural-urban transport. To address a wider range of challenges, RURBANIVE funds 6 additional rural-urban enablers that will help further transform rural communities, boost the well-being of citizens, and spread our innovations across Europe and beyond. Through Immersive technologies in its community store, RURBANIVE revolutionizes rural-urban interactions and envisions shared futures. Together, we are building a resilient, connected future for rural communities across Europe.